Hello, everybody. Srimay Mahapatra here, the founder of Odisha Digital Coaches Hub. ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବତେଇବି କି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଡିୟମରୁ ଆସିକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋର ଇଂଲିଶଟା ଏତେ ବଢିଆ ହେଲା ସେଟା କେମିତି ହେଇପାରିଲା। Class 10th ରୁ ହିଁ I was speaking much better English than many of my friends. The reason was obvious because of my father's and mother's guidance. My father was a maths professor, my mother was a physics professor, so I got very good guidance. But maybe ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କେବେ guidance ଥାଇପାରେ ନଥାଇପାରେ. So today I am going to share how I practiced a good way of speaking using Hollywood movies. Yes ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ, YouTube ର Hollywood movies ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିକି ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଏଟା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କଲି ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଆଜି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲାଇଭ ଟେଲିକାଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ଜଣେଇବି. So are you ready? Type ready in the chat box. So यूट्यूब रे ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲିପ ଦେଖୁଛେ ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକର କାହାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ମଦର ଟଙ୍ଗ ଇଜ ଇଂଲିଶ ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଖୋଜୁଛେ ପ୍ରଥମ କଥା ତ ଏଇଟା କି ଆମକୁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡିବ କି କୋଉ ପ୍ରକାରର ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକରକୁ ଆମେ ଶୁଣିବା ରାଇଟ୍ ସୋ ହେଇପାରେ ଗୋଟେ କିଛିଟା ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିବେ you don't have to go for that. Start with something very easy, but remember to start with native speakers only. ବହୁତ ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଏଇଟା ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ କରନ୍ତି କି ସେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରୁ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ୍ସିଏସନ କିମ୍ବା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କିମ୍ବା ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ଅଫ ଟକିଂ ଯଦି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି what they do is they straight away go to very comfortable zone of listening to Indians who speak in good English. I am not even talking about Sashi Tharoor. I'm not even talking about news channels of India. No, I am talking about native speakers. How news channel mu kebe bhi suggest karibini because according to me it's filled with garbage. But what we can do is we can watch some motivational videos of native speakers. So point number 1 joda mu koili mon rakhantu is whenever you're searching to learn something, to learn the style of communicating, speaking style from native speakers, always search for motivational videos of native speakers. Point number 2, connect with those, first do a little bit of jaku ame kohiba scouting. Tike scouting kariyaku padibo, tike dekhiyaku padibo, tike combing kariyaku padibo ki kou native speaker saito ame easily connect kari parche. Maybe ଆପଣ କେତେଟା ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକର ଦେଖିବେ ଯାହା ସହିତ ଆପଣ ଟୋଟାଲି କନେକ୍ଟ କରିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି ଆବାଉଟ ଇଟ୍. ଯାହା ସହିତ କନେକ୍ଟ କରିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯାହାର କହିବା ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଫଲୋ କରନ୍ତୁ. ମେ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ସେଟା ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ନ ଲାଗିପାରେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିପାରେ, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେଟା ସ୍ଲୋ ଲାଗିପାରେ, ଆପଣ ଜଲ୍ଦି କନେକ୍ଟ କରିପାରନ୍ତି. ସୋ ରିମେମ୍ବର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର 2 ଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ choose the speaker, choose the native speaker. Okay, so point number 1, always go for native speaker motivational videos. Point number 2, always search a little bit and then connect with one speaker, one native speaker. Point number 3, start with something which is less than 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, start with something very small. All right, so my dear friend, start with not 3 minutes above videos. So jodi apan lamba video dekhibe tahle it will be very difficult for you to practice it. So start with something very simple. Okay, so search for reels, search for shorts, motivational video which are shorts and reels. Okay, ତାପରେ fourth ଜିନିଷ, fifth ଜିନିଷ କଣ ଅଛି, ସିକ୍ସ ଜିନିଷ କଣ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବି ନେକ୍ସଟ 3ଟା ଷ୍ଟେପ. ଅଲରାଇଟ୍, ଆର୍ ୟୁ ରେଡି? ସୋ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କଣ କରୁଛି. I am going to, I hope you will be able to see my screen. Okay, ମୁଁ share sound ବି କରିଦଉଛି. ଅଲରାଇଟ୍, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ରେ ଅଛି, ଆଉ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକର ଯାହାର ନାଁ ହେଲା ଜଣେ ହଲିଉଡ ଆକ୍ଟର ଡେନଜେଲ ୱାଶିଂଟନ. ଓକେ, ଡେନଜେଲ ୱାଶିଂଟନ ଅସ୍କାର ଆୱାର୍ଡ ୱିନର, ବହୁତ ଗୁଡିଏ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ୱିନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି. ତ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପିଚ କୁ ମୁଁ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଛି. ମୁଁ ବିକଜ ଆଇ କିପ୍ ଲୁକିଂ ଫର ସଚ୍ ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକର୍ସ, ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ପଏଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର 2, ଲୁକ୍ ଫର ଗୁଡ ନେଟିଭ ସ୍ପିକର୍ସ. ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ରେଡି କରିକି ରଖିଛି. ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ, ଇନ୍ ମାଇ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଡେନଜେଲ ୱାଶିଂଟନ ଇଜ ଦେୟାର, Jack Nicholson is there, right? Les Brown is there, Simon Sinek is there, Gary Vaynerchuk is there, So there's a list of 10 people, native speakers, which I follow from time to time. But remember, you need to, jodi apan ei drill ta kebe kori nahanti kimba ei bhabore kebe kor nahanti, and if you're starting, then remember to start with one speaker, one native speaker. Okay, so more bartaman ajiro example mo eta kochi step number 4 hela, pratham tinta step kor dale, right? Fourth step re apan जो लोकर वीडियो आपण फाइंड आउट कले गोटे लेस देन 1 मिनिट रो वीडियो, ओके, सेटा को वर्तमान आमे प्ले करिवा. ओके, सो देखंतु विथ सबटाइटल बंधुगण, विथ सबटाइटल वेरी इंपोर्टेंट. डोंट स्किप द सबटाइटल, डोंट ट्राई टू बी ओवर स्मार्ट. You cannot take step number 10 without taking step number 4. So play comfortably, okay, play comfortably. Switch on the CC, switch on the closed caption, let the statements come on screen so that you can read and understand. Okay, so that is the step number 4. Read, understand, read, understand. jete porjanto apan pratyek word, pratyek sentence ku bujhi nahanti, sete porjanto apan ku fourth number step taku repeat after repeat after repeat kariyo. You need to understand the content, you need to understand each and every word. jodi konosi word apan ku bujha parlani, tahale pause the video, check in Google or ChatGPT or wherever that what is the meaning of this word, and accordingly ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କି ସେ କଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଛନ୍ତି, and then watch it again, watch it again, watch it as if you know it completely. ଆଉ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ ମୁଁ କହିଲି step number 3 is very important, is to only have a video which is less than 1 minute. So let's play it.
You'll never start, but more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. Keep working, keep striving, never give up, fall down 7 times, get up 8. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. So keep moving, keep growing, keep learning. See you at work. Without commitment.
गोटे थर मु देखिली जेहेतु मु जानिची आर सब मीनिंग गुडाको, सो मु आउ किछि डबल चेक करूनी, राइट? प्रत्येक वर्ड रो प्रत्येक पूरा सेंटेंस जेडा कहया को चाहूचंती, आई केम टू नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वाज ट्राइंग टू से. दिस इज हिज famous, very very famous Oscar reception speech. When he was receiving the Oscar award, he was giving the speech, right, to motivate others, right? So se kon kuchanti, without commitment you cannot start, but without consistency you cannot finish, right? So to se start kuchanti ette sundar eta tankro motivation. Just look at this.
You'll never start, but more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. Keep working.
Bartaman bandhu, ame panch step number 5. Okay, step number 5 is to write it down. Write dialogue by dialogue by dialogue by dialogue. Mu seta bartaman ebe koruni, right? Gote notebook au pen dhariki apan pratyek dialogue dekhibe. Sethipai once again I am telling you that don't watch long videos. Start with small videos so that you can write the dialogues. Okay, so apan kon kariyar achi step number 5, write the dialogues, each and every word, every sentence you write it down. Okay, step number 4 re apan bujhiale, step number 5 re apan dialogues guda ko lekhi dele. Okay, step number 6 is to watch it again and again to get the energy, right? Step number 6 is to watch it again and again to get the energy, the style of speaking. Okay, so dekhantu,
keep striving, never give up.
Voice modulation, era sikoile ni keep striving, sikoile keep striving, right? Intonation, aku kahanti intonation, ki kou sentence ro kou शब्द टाकू आमे फोकस कले से sentence ro महत्व बढ़ी जीवो. The outcome or the convey that you want to have, what you want to convey, what you want to express, it becomes fantastic. मु तार गोटे छोटो एग्जांपल एटी देबा चाहिबी. फॉर एग्जांपल मु कहबी कि आई लव माय कंट्री, बट जदि मु एमती कहबी कि आई लव माय कंट्री, डिड यू सी द डिफरेंस? Obviously आपनको second dialogue टा बेसी भल लागि थियो. Why? Because I intonated I put feelings and emotions into the word which was most important in that sentence, which I wanted to convey. So entire sentence कहिवा जहा से गोटे word कहिवा साहा. So सेतिकी force, सेतिकी energy, सेतिकी emotions मु से भितर भर्ती कली. That is known as intonation. One of the biggest part of something known as voice modulation. Voice modulation ର ଅନ୍ୟ parts भी ଅଛି, pause नेबा, fast कहवा, slow कहवा. So there are other things, but today I'm talking about intonation. And native speakers एते बढ़िया intonate करंती कि सेथिपाई सेमानंकर प्रत्येक सेंटेंस गुडाको पूरा क्रिस्प एंड क्लियरली लोक मानकु बुझा पड़े. आमको बुझा पड़ेनी बिकॉज आमर अभ्यास नहीं. बट ट्रस्ट मी, एई लोकटा जेतोळे एई भाषणटा दउची से स्टेडियम रे प्रोबेबली हजारे पाखापाखी लोक बसचंदे. If 1,000 people can understand him crisp and clear, so can you. All right. So what is the sixth step? Is to watch it again and again to get the energy, the style, the voice modulation of the person. All right.
Up, fall down 7 times, get up 8. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship.
Ease is a greater threat than progress, than hardship. Ease is a greater threat to hardship ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. Right? So this is the dialogue. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. Are you getting the point? Yes?
Hardship. So keep moving, keep growing, keep learning. See you at work. Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish.
जो pause उड़ाको से नहीं की कोथले, did you notice them? So let us try. Now this is the last and ultimate step, is step number 7. Or sorry, this is the penultimate step. तापरे आउ गोटे step अछि. So penultimate माने ultimate रो पूर्व step टा हला penultimate. New word for you. Type penultimate in the chat box. Okay, so it is pronounced as pen hyphen ultimate. Pen hyphen ultimate. Penultimate माने the step before the ultimate is known as penultimate. Last but one जो अपन कहंती, the better word for that is penultimate. So the penultimate step is to practice the energy. For example, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯଦି ମୁଁ practice କରିବି, first ଦି ତିନିଟା ମୁଁ पूरा वीडियो टा practice करूनी because otherwise this video will be very long. So ମୁଁ प्रथम केतरा step प्रथम केतरा dialogue ମୁଁ practice କରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ. Okay, without commitment you'll never start, but most importantly without consistency you'll never finish. You got it right? Sorry, it electricity down here, so let me just go ahead and continue the video anyway. All right, so বন্ধুগণ, what is step 8? Step 8, my dear friend, is to publish it, to speak it and publish it, বন্ধুগণ. That is step number 8. That is step number 8, বন্ধুগণ. Right? So step number 8 is to practice it. I mean, to publish it somewhere. Publish it in your social media. Publish it, and if you're scared ki jodi au kiye log kya kahenge, tahle don't worry, come to our community, check the link below this video. You have practice sessions, and that is why I have created a private community where you can practice with others. There are so many Odias who are willing to improve their communication skills. You can be next person and you can practice it. If you're not getting an environment in your office or among your friend group or wherever you're staying, in your hostel or in your house, wherever you're staying, if you are not getting an environment to practice all of this, then don't worry. This is the very reason why we have created an online community of people who are willing to practice with us, with our guidance. So don't forget to check the link in the description so that you can join our community absolutely free of cost. You can attend a demo class so that you can learn more about our courses and offerings that we have for you. We have different classes for different kind of people. You can take a one-to-one consultancy with us, so that you can fast forward your communication skills improvement. So there are various options available for you, but the condition is that you need to take the action. So let me repeat the steps once again, Bandhugana. If you would like to practice from small Hollywood clips so that your communication style, your speaking style changes, then step number one is always go for native speakers. They can be American, they can be British, but go for native American speakers. Step number two, comb the internet to find which one native speakers that you can connect with, and please watch that person for a very long period of time. Do not keep looking different native speakers, because you will end up learning nothing. Choose one native speaker and follow that. It's known as power of one. Step number three, always choose a video which is less than 3 minutes. The best practice for best results, choose a video which is less than 1 minute. All right. Step number four, watch the video with subtitles and find out the meaning of each and every word in every sentence so that you completely understand the content. Step number five is to keep to write down each and every dialogue. Step number five is to write down each and every dialogue. Step number six is to keep watching the video to understand the voice modulation of the person, the energy of the person, the style of talking of the person. Step number seven is to practice, and keep playing the video, and alongside the video you practice. Okay, play, pause, speak, play, pause, speak, play, pause, speak. Keep doing it. Step number seven. Step number eight, without any fear of judgment, go ahead, publish your practice video in the public. Publish your practice video in the public domain. And if you think you're scared to do that, then don't worry, join ODCH. Thank you so much, everybody, for patiently listening to us. And I hope this video was super duper useful to you. If it was, then type useful in the comments. Please ask questions in the comments, because we would love to answer them. And don't forget to check the link in the description. Hit that like and subscribe if you have not done yet. Thank you so much. Remember, जाते जाते एक चीज बोलूंगा कि इंग्लिश तो एक लैंग्वेज है. इंग्लिश तो एक लैंग्वेज है. कम्युनिकेशन समंदर है. इंग्लिश तो एक लैंग्वेज है, कम्युनिकेशन समंदर है. जो इस बात को समझ गया वही धुरंधर है, वही सिकंदर है. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.